Welcome back, Crammers, to question 9. Here is a quadrilateral. Work out the value of x. Now we know that the sum of all the interior angles in a quadrilateral with 4 sides is 360 degrees. And we can see here that some values are missing, which is x and x. Since we have the other values, we can actually find this out as 92 plus 44 plus x is equal to 360. Now we can actually simplify this further by combining the x into 2x, and we can bring 92 and 44 to the other side. So this is equal to 360 minus 92 minus 44. And then on top of all that, to isolate x, we divide both sides by 2, divide by 2, and we can find our final answer using a calculator. 360 minus 92 minus 44, then divided by 2, gives x as 112 degrees. Give a reason for your answer. The only reason we were able to find x is because the sum of all the angles in a quadrilateral equal 360 degrees. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.